Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 most important array functions in JavaScript. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get all new videos that I upload every day. And also don't forget to click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. First of all, I have a file here called script.js. Make sure that this file is a JavaScript file. And I have here an array called animals, and it contains 5 elements. First of all, in JavaScript, in order to access one of elements of an array, you would just use the index notation. So for example, I'm going to use the console log, so that we display the result. So if I want to access the third element of this array, I would type animals, and then square brackets, and then 2, because it starts with the index of 0, so 0, 1, 2. So the horse, the third element, has the index of 2. Now if I save and run our script, as you can see, I'm going to get horse here. So this is how you can access any element. If you want to access the fourth element, you would type 3. And you would get line. Now let's talk about the most important 5 functions, array functions in JavaScript. The first one is called shift, which is going to remove the first element of an array. So here, if I just print the complete array, what I'm going to get is the complete array of all elements. So let's use this function here, animals, and then dot shift. And now if I print the new array, as you can see, I'm going to get only 4 elements because the first element has been removed after using the shift function. Now the second most important function is called unshift, which is going to add an element in the front of the array. So here I'm going to use the unshift, and then I'm going to pass the element that I want to add. So for example, I want to add here panda. If I save and run our script, as you can see, I'm going to get panda at the beginning of the array. And the third most important function is called index of, which is going to return the index of an element. So for example, if I want to get the index of the fourth element, which is lion, here dot index of, and then I pass lion. As you can see, now what I'm gonna get, why? Because the lion here, the fourth element, has an index of 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3. The fourth most important function that I'm going to talk about is called push, which is going to add an element to the end of the array. So for example, here animals, and then dot push, and let's add panda. And then if we print the array now, just print the array, as you can see, I am going to get panda added to the end of the array. The last function that I'm going to talk about is called slice, which is going to create a copy of the array. So for example, here if I use slice, and then let's save and run, what I'm going to get is that the same array, but if I pass, let's say I want a copy of the original array, but I want to start from the third element. So here I would type 2, but I need to print the new array, which is called, let's name it A, for example, or just copy, and here copy. If I print the copy of the array, what I'm going to get is that a copy of the array, but I started with the second index. So I started from horse, and then lion, and then tiger. So I got a copy of the array, but not the complete array. I got just a portion of the array. So these were the most important functions regarding arrays in JavaScript. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And also check the description below because I have got a lot of important information in the box below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.